What you doing, bud? Huh?
Okay, so this is the end of the old house right here. The doorway will be cut in to get into the new addition.
Right. The new pocket door here brings us first to the master closet.
Huh? What you doing? You trying to say something?
Huge closet.
Huh? You trying to say something?
From there you turn into the master bath at the back of the house, with a big vanity and sinks for each of them. The toilet compartment on one side with a wall that can stay break it off. And then a large
excited?
steam shower on the other side.
It's going to be a good size
Yeah.
shower and a steam shower at that. Yeah, nice feature. Now, I noticed when I was outside
Well, sit back up.
addition, the floor here
Sit back up.
That's right. It creates a little overhang. It allows the walls of the addition to align with the walls of the main house.
Right, so that's going to go through in a flush line and won't have the jog like we have on the first floor.
Right. We want to make it feel like the addition was always part of the house. Also, it allows us to cheat and steal a little more space with these new rooms.
You gonna chew on my britches?
Put it on the exterior. Interesting detail. I look forward to seeing that.
You gonna chew on my britches?
Closed porch, something that was locked in the first part of the 20th century.
You know, it isn't a very big addition.
Only added on 200 square feet. It should make a big difference in how they do it.
I think it will. Thanks, David.
Thank you.
Is that funny? Is that funny? Huh? You watching this old house? You need to call him, tell him come work on this old house. 1928, bud. Alright then.